Bird on my chalk table.
Is it real?
Yes, it's real. No, it's not dead.
He just staring at the wall.
Are you okay, little bird?
Do I do this one?
What happened?
Up on the table.
Yeah, he came and pooped on my table.
Where?
What an a-hole. Where he was standing.
Right there?
Yes. Don't scare him. What's wrong with him? Oh, he's peeing on the table.
Where?
Oh, he's pooping black stuff all over the table. Ew. You okay? What's wrong with you? Get away from my table. It's for shitting on my kids' play. And he hit the thing.